What if I told you that in America today, you can start a business with $0, no office, no employees, no fancy degree, and still build something that makes six figures or even $1 million? Sounds fake, right? But here's the truth. The biggest businesses today are being built by ordinary people using laptops, smartphones, AI tools, and the internet. A delivery driver started a digital marketing agency. A college student built a print-on-demand brand. A stay-at-home mom created a faceless YouTube channel. A guy flipping used furniture on Facebook Marketplace turned it into a full-time business. And none of them started rich. The problem is, most people are following outdated advice. Work harder. Save more. Get another degree. Meanwhile, smart side hustlers are building income streams that work while they sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint people in the USA are using right now to go from zero to their first $1,000, to six figures, and eventually to $1 million business. No scams, no fake gurus, no overnight success nonsense, just a realistic roadmap that actually works in 2026. Let's begin. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They start with the wrong business model. Most beginners choose side hustles that are too expensive, too complicated, too competitive, or impossible to scale. For example, driving for rideshare apps, food delivery, online surveys, low-paying freelance gigs. Yes, these can make quick cash, but they usually trade time for money. And if you stop working, the money stops too. $1 million side hustles work differently. They focus on three things. 1. High demand. People already want the product or service. 2. Low startup cost. You don't need thousands of dollars up front. 3. Scalability. The business can grow without you working every hour. That's the real secret. You don't need to invent something revolutionary. You just need a model that solves a problem people already pay for. And today, thanks to AI and online platforms, starting has never been easier. Let's talk about the business models actually working right now in the USA. Not theory. Real opportunities. Option 1. Digital services. This is the fastest way to make your first money online. Businesses everywhere need video editing, social media management, AI content creation, website design, ad creatives, email marketing, short-form video editing, and many small businesses are desperate for help. Here's the crazy part. You don't even need to be an expert anymore. AI tools can help you write content, design graphics, edit videos, create ads, build websites. You become the problem solver using tools. One client paying $500 to $2,000 per month can completely change your life. And unlike a normal job, there's no income ceiling. Option 2. Faceless YouTube channels. This is exploding right now. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't even need your own voice anymore. Channels about finance, motivation, celebrity news, tech, AI, business, luxury, sports are making thousands every month from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And AI now helps with scripts, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnails, research. The key is consistency and picking a profitable niche. Most people quit too early, but one viral video can completely change everything. Option 3. Print on demand. This is one of the safest beginner businesses. You create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters. When someone orders, the supplier prints and ships the product automatically. No inventory, no warehouse, no packaging products yourself. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify made this easier than ever. The winners focus on emotional niches, funny slogans, patriotic themes, pet lovers, gym culture, family humor. Simple designs often outperform complicated ones. Option 4. Affiliate marketing. This is recommending products and earning commissions. You promote products through TikTok, YouTube, blogs, Instagram, Pinterest. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid. The smartest affiliate marketers don't sell, they solve problems. For example, best home gym products, best business tools, best budget gadgets, best AI software. Helpful content wins. Now let's get into the actual roadmap. This is where most people fail because they overthink everything. Here's the blueprint. Step 1. Pick one model. Do not try 5 side hustles at once. That's how people waste months and get nowhere. Pick one service business, YouTube, print on demand, affiliate marketing. Then commit for at least 90 days. Mastery comes from repetition, not jumping around. Step 2. Learn just enough to start. This is important. Do not spend 6 months researching. Most successful entrepreneurs learned while doing. You only need enough knowledge to get started, help one customer, publish one video, launch one product. That's it. Action creates clarity. Step 3. Use AI as your advantage. This is the biggest opportunity in modern business. AI is making one person as powerful as a small team. Today, you can use AI to write scripts, generate business ideas, create product descriptions, design social media posts, edit videos, create marketing campaigns, analyze trends. The people who learn AI now will dominate the next decade. And no, AI is not replacing everyone. People using AI are replacing people who don't. Step 4. Build an audience. This changes everything. Attention is the new currency. If people trust you, you can sell almost anything ethically. Post content consistently on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, X, Pinterest. You do not need millions of followers. Sometimes, just a few thousand loyal followers are enough to create a full-time income. Document your journey. Teach what you learn. Show results. Share value. People follow authenticity. Step 5. Sell high-income offers. This is where real money happens. Beginners focus on cheap products. Smart entrepreneurs focus on high-ticket services, digital products, memberships, coaching, premium offers. Why? Because selling one $2,000 offer is easier than selling $210 products. Value matters more than volume. Step 6. Reinvest profits. Most people fail after making their first money. They buy expensive clothes, cars, gadgets. Instead of growing the business, the wealthy reinvest. They spend on better tools, advertising, systems, education, automation. Money should become an employee. Working to make more money. Let's be honest. Most side hustles won't make $1 million overnight. But here's how it actually happens. Phase 1. First $1,000. This is the hardest stage psychologically. You're learning, making mistakes, building confidence. Most people quit here. Phase 2. $5K to $10K per month. Now the business becomes real. You understand marketing, customer psychology, content creation, sales. At this point, you start believing bigger goals are possible. Phase 3. Systems and scaling. This is where businesses explode. You hire freelancers, automate tasks, use paid ads, build teams, create repeatable systems. Now your income is no longer tied directly to your hours. That's when scaling happens. Phase 4. Brand building. $1 million businesses are usually brands. People trust them, recognize them, recommend them. Brand creates long-term wealth, not quick hacks. Let's destroy some myths. Myth 1. The market is too saturated. Wrong. If businesses were too saturated, new companies wouldn't become successful every year. The internet is massive. There's room for people who provide value better, faster, or differently. Myth 2: you need money to make money. Not anymore. Today, content is free. AI tools are affordable. Social media is free marketing. Attention matters more than capital. Myth 3: you need to be lucky. Luck helps, but consistency creates more opportunities for luck. The people winning online usually posted hundreds of times before success came. Most viral success stories have years of invisible work behind them. Here's the truth. The internet created the biggest wealth opportunity in modern history, but most people will stay distracted, scrolling, watching others succeed, waiting for the perfect time. Meanwhile, a small group of people will take action. They'll learn valuable skills, build audiences, use AI, create businesses, and completely change their financial future. The difference between those two groups: execution. Not talent, not luck, not background, just execution. So here's your challenge. Pick one side hustle. Commit to it for the next 90 days. Learn daily. Post consistently. Improve every week. Because 1 year from now, you could still be thinking about starting, or you could already be living a completely different life. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. What side hustle are you starting in 2026? And I'll see you in the next video.